Now let's be real, if you dig through your bathroom drawers right now, you're probably going to find this really random dusty tube of Aquaphor, the one with the blue cap. Now your mom or your dad probably bought it years ago and you've been ignoring it until now because you're busy buying $80 aesthetic serums that you saw on TikTok. However, here is a crazy stat. The skincare industry makes billions of dollars convincing us that we need 10-step skincare routines. But if you ask actual clinical dermatologists what they actually use, and a lot of times they say that they've been relying on this particular cheap basic ointment that has been invented roughly about 100 years ago. We are in the middle of a blue cap renaissance. You don't need a complicated routine to get perfect skin. Products like Aquaphor are the ultimate MVP because they literally mimic your skin's natural biology. It's not just basic, it's actually a high-tech skin saver hiding in just plain sight. So are you going to keep draining your allowance on hyped up products? Or are you ready to use the ultimate skincare cheat code that's already in your house? First up, fixing cuts and scrapes. You've probably been told to let your wound breathe so it forms a scab. Now forget that, that's officially old news. In a massive study of skin surgery patients, the ones who used a simple ointment like Aquaphor had only 12% chance of having bad redness and swelling. The people who use fancy antibiotic creams, 52%. Plus, if you leave your cut out to dry, it scabs over time and scars form roughly about 50% of the time. So surgeons and dermatologists call this the moist wound revolution. Letting a cut dry out actually kills the healing cells. Now, when you smear Aquaphor on a clean scrape, it actually creates a breathable shield. It locks out the bacteria and keeps the moisture in the skin. So your skin can literally knit itself back together without leaving a nasty scar. So next time when you fall down, are you going to let that scrape crust and then get a scar, or are you going to moist your wounds so that you have minimal scars? Use number 2 for Aquaphor, crusty peeling lips, especially during the winter times. Now here's a down low on lip balms. Pure Vaseline is 100% petroleum jelly. It creates a total seal, but it actually cannot moisturize. Now Aquaphor on the other hand is only 41% petroleum jelly. The rest are made out of things like glycerin, provitamin B5, and these are ingredients that actually act like water magnets. This is the difference between preventing chapped lips and actually fixing your dry lips. So if your lips are always peeling, applying a strawberry flavored lip balm actually does nothing. It actually sits on top of your lips and potentially can actually irritate your lips. Now, Aquaphor's glycerin literally pulls moisture out of the air into your lips while healing the cracks from the inside out. Now, I want you to check your pockets real quick. Is your favorite lip balm actually repairing your lips, or is it just making them smell good while they actually worsens the peeling? Now, use number 3 for Aquaphor. It's actually the overnight SOS. So if you play sports or on your feet a lot, your heels actually get insanely dry over time and can literally crack open. So the skin on your heels is actually the thickest among your entire body. Normal watery lotions just evaporate before they can even have the chance to penetrate the heels. So you need what dermatologists call intensive occlusion. So here's the hack. Right before you go to sleep at night, slather on a thick layer of Aquaphor all over the heels and immediately put on a pair of cotton socks. The word Aquaphor literally comes from the Greek meaning of bearer of water. The socks trap in the ointment, forcing the hydration deep into your skin while you sleep. And you end up waking up with brand new skin on your feet. So the question is, why are you still walking around with that painful, crusty heel when you can literally hit the repair button while you sleep? Use number 4 is chafing. Yes, even though Aquaphor says that it helps for diaper rash, but I want you to hear me out. Just because it's made and safe for babies, high-quality ointments actually have 0 fragrances and 0 preservatives. So this is actually impossible to irritate your skin. So if you're an athlete or it's just a hot summer day and your thighs are actually rubbing together, friction is actually your worst enemy. Now, Aquaphor isn't just a moisturizer, it's actually a heavy-duty physical barrier. It repels sweat and completely stops the friction. It's the ultimate invisible shield for sports. And do you know that the best hack for surviving cross-country practices, even a marathon or on a hot summer day, is literally sitting on your baby owl? You can use Aquaphor for that. Now, finally, number 5, it's the viral K-beauty trend, slugging. So when you sleep, your skin actually loses a lot of water. So putting on a thin layer of ointment over your face actually traps 100% of your skincare products underneath so they don't evaporate. But warning, do not do this over strong acne creams like retinol or it will end up burning your face. Now, slugging is how you wake up with that insane glass skin glow. So you wash your face at night, apply a hydrating serum, put on your favorite moisturizer, and then use a pea-sized amount of Aquaphor to seal in all that skincare. However, there's one catch. If you have super oily or acne-prone skin, you need to skip this step because it can help trap the natural oils and cause severe breakouts. So are you ready to try slugging tonight? Or is your skin type better off skipping this viral trend? So to wrap this up, so what is the difference between Vaseline and Aquaphor? Now, Vaseline is 100% petroleum jelly. Aquaphor, on the other hand, is only 41% petroleum jelly mixed with soothing chamomile and hydrating glycerin. So think of Vaseline like a plastic wrap for your skin, completely seals you up, which is great if your skin is ultra sensitive and you want zero extra ingredients. But Aquaphor is breathable. It lets oxygen in while pulling in water into your skin. That breathability is exactly why tattoo artists tell people to use Aquaphor instead of Vaseline on fresh tattoos, because it heals while letting your skin breathe. So between the ultimate seal of Vaseline and the breathable hydrating power of Aquaphor, which petroleum jelly are you going to be putting on your nightstand? Let me know in the comments below, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.